Hi there, check out the AmazerBath over the toilet storage bamboo organizer, a perfect space saver for your bathroom. This 3-tier freestanding shelf offers ultra-large capacity with each tier holding up to 25 pounds, maximizing your bathroom storage. Made from premium eco-friendly bamboo, it adds a natural, elegant touch while being sturdy and solid. Assembly is quick and easy with no tools or screws needed, thanks to its user-friendly design. The shelf measures 25.2 by 10 by 70.87 inches, fitting most toilets with a bottom shelf height of 37.5 inches. It also features an adjustable bottom bar to avoid interfering with toilet water valves. Plus, the 4 adjustable anti-slip feet increase stability, keeping your organizer safe and secure. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.